Hello everyone. This is just a little quick video to show you the Turnitin.com interface. In your units and lessons area, you should see a link under our Unit 1 assignments that mentions rough draft, where you'll turn in your rough draft. After you turn that in, or as you turn that in, it goes to Turnitin.com, and it should give you immediate feedback. Julia's turned hers in already, and I think I had a button turned off. So Julia, if you'll go back and click on your link, you should see more information now, or some information. I just wanted to show you what that interface looks like. You all should have your rough drafts completed early the week of the 15th. I've got a due date on the calendar that I just recently added for the 17th. It's not a real hard and fast due date. It's just something to keep you on pace. Remember, your final draft is due on the 19th, and I would like you to look at this automated feedback before you turn in that final draft. But here's her title. Y'all's interface will look slightly different from mine, but after you submit your paper in Turnitin.com, or at that link in our units and lessons, you should be able to click on a hyperlink that will bring you back to a screen that looks like this. You'll have some tabs up here. We've got turned on Originality and GradeMark. GradeMark does a grammar check. See, she's got a pretty good draft going here. Not many things probably need to be looked at. Here it's suggesting you put in a comma after this introductory phrase, for example. So it says missing comma. It says you may want to put a comma. Notice it says you may. A lot of times it is a computer and it may make mistakes. But a comma would be better there. Here she accidentally put in the word be, and it's just saying fix this verb here. Would create awareness is probably what she meant to write. And leaving that article off makes it flow a little better. You can see when I mouse over it, it gives you a little bit more information. If I wanted to click View Handbook, it would take me to a little tutorial on verb forms, which may be more confusing than helpful. But anyway, what's nice about it, points out kind of quickly areas that you may want to review. I'll click on Originality. It mentions up here that 23% of the content is similar to some other source. When I look at that, that might raise a red flag. I'm worried that perhaps something's being quoted that belongs somewhere else. I mean, that ought to be attributed to someone else. Here she's doing that. The USA Today article. She's even using quotation marks. So that's fine. I wouldn't worry about that. Probably the same thing's going on here. She still needs to add her in-text citations, where it mentions the page number or paragraph actually on that source. Yeah, you've got the pages over here. Indicate those pages in your in-text citation, which show up in parentheses. But anyway, it's just a quick way of glancing to see if there are areas that need to be cleaned up kind of quickly. That's pretty much all there is to it. I'm not using this to record your grade. I do have a rubric that I assign to it, evaluated by it. It's explained right here. Essentially, I want you to turn in a complete draft so that I know that you're getting close to completing your essay and can get as much feedback as possible. But I will be assessing your final draft with my own comments, not the machine comments. And that's a different Dropbox. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions. Remember, your final draft is due Friday the 19th.